Ready to turn your TikTok scrolling into a money-making machine with Temu. First, download the Temu app and create an account. Then, look for their affiliate or referral program. It's often found in the account settings or promotional banners on the homepage. Tap to join. You may need to agree to their terms and conditions. Follow the prompts to get your unique referral link. This link is your golden ticket. Copy your unique Temu link. This is what you'll share on TikTok. Now, head over to TikTok and create engaging videos showcasing Temu products. Unboxing videos, reviews, or styling tips work great. In your video description and comments, clearly mention your referral link and any associated discount codes. Also add hashtag TEMU and relevant tags to increase visibility. The most important part, paste your Temu link in your TikTok bio, making it easily accessible for viewers. Track your clicks and sales within the Temu affiliate dashboard. Watch those earnings grow. The more people use your link, the more you earn. That's it. Start creating those TikToks and raking in the Temu rewards. Good luck.